Hi, this is Anita. Welcome to my channel. Ira is introducing you to different baking items. So I thought let me cater to my age group and make something healthy and tasty. Today we are all looking to maintain ourselves to be fit and healthy. What we eat plays an important role in our fitness regime. Dieting I feel is a strict no-no because not only it results in deficiency of essential nutrients, but it also leaves you with a feeling of losing good things in life. So instead, why not eat something? Why not modify your food such that we eat healthy? In this series, I am going to modify our day-to-day recipes to give you healthy alternative. Today, let me introduce you to quinoa. So this is quinoa. This is quinoa, what a quinoa looks like. These are basically seeds which are high in protein and so have become very popular in recent days. These have so many nutritional property that they are actually a superfood. Easy to digest, cholesterol free, high in dietary fiber, gluten free, high in protein, low G.I Index, and best thing, they are very versatile and easy to prepare. So today I will tell you a very basic recipe for cooking quinoa. I have taken this quinoa, washed it with 3-4 waters and soaked it for about half an hour. After that I drained it and this is what it looks like after washing and soaking. So let's start cooking my quinoa. I put a small kadai on stove. Put a few drops of olive oil. And my soaked quinoa. Quinoa cooks just like rice and it can very easily replace rice for all those people who are looking to lose weight through or avoiding rice. Just roast it for some time. It will take about 5-10 minutes. So roast it till you hear a small sizzling sound. The seeds will dry and roast and they'll start to crackle. This is the time when you need to add water to this. This is a small step which many people avoid, but if you do it, you'll get very light and fluffy quinoa. Okay, so it's been about 7-8 minutes. My quinoa is all roasted now. If you hear carefully, you'll be able to hear some popping sound like when corns pop, popcorns. This is stage when we add water to this. I'm adding a pinch of turmeric just to give it a little yellow color. It looks better that way. This was about 1 cup of quinoa, so I'm adding 2 cups of water to it. Now I cover this and cook it for about 15-20 minutes till the quinoa is cooked and is light and fluffy. I am cooking it at medium flame just like rice. Okay, so my quinoa is all cooked now. Like I told you, this is a very versatile grain and can be used in many dishes, right from salads to main course to even soup and sweet. I slowly introduce you to all these recipes. Keep watching my channel, like and subscribe. Till then, happy cooking. Bye.